If you're living as a nomad, chances are you're going to be using one of these camp stoves. They get really dirty really quick. And you're not going to be able to clean them completely. I'm just going to show how I do it. I'm putting some baking soda and vinegar on the bottom here and letting it soak in. That does remove a lot of it, but some of the stains on it just aren't going to come off, and you'll see. I'm just spraying with cleaner and wiping with a warm rag to get the grease splatter that gets on the back. And same thing on the front. I'm using a Scrub Daddy sponge to scrub the bottom. A lot of it comes off. You literally could clean this every other day. It just gets filthy when you cook, especially if you cook a lot. But make sure you have hot water, or else the grease isn't going to come off. And that's it. It actually took me maybe 15 minutes. You can see a difference in it. Thanks for watching.